Posture is incredibly important on the rower. It's the number one reason some people experience lower back pain. Do not relax your back or hunch over like in this demo. Sit up tall like a piano player would. Tip 2. While it's called a rower and we think of rowing with arms, this is not how the machine works. Do not use your arms to yank the handle. The rower is powered mostly by the legs. Tip 3. There is a specific rhythm to rowing and it's not natural. It takes practice. The order is leg press, arm pulls, arm releases, hinge forward, and repeat. With practice, this is the natural rhythm and flow rowing with proper form. You should feel it predominantly in the back of your legs, the hamstrings. It is very much so powered by the legs.